हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल वेल्थ अनलिमिटेड। आज इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं उदय शिव कुमार इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लिमिटेड आईपीओ की। आई विल बी गिविंग यू द फुल ओवरव्यू ऑफ द कंपनी एज वेल एज आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज द डे 1 अपडेट ऑन द आईपीओ। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कंपनी क्या काम करती है, हाउ दे जनरेट देयर रेवेन्यू, और उसके बाद मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगा कि क्या करंट ग्रे मार्केट प्रीमियम चल रहा है USK IPO के लिए। So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and do like this video. अब अगर हम उदय शिव कुमार IPO की बात करें तो you can see that it is a infrastructure development company and it is majorly based out and take projects in Karnataka only. Talking about Uday Shiv Kumar, they have been into this space from last 25 years and they do projects like making bridge, canal, high altitude roads and building projects. But they are not large in numbers. They take small projects initially and it is not a big company or big infrastructure company like Adani Enterprise or GMR Infrastructure. But they are able to grow in last 20-25 years in a very good manner. You can see here that the company started with a 0.10 crore in 1995-1996 और उसके बाद आप देख सकते हैं कि in 2020 and 2021 इस कंपनी ने 225 करोड़ का लगभग टर्नओवर दिया है, which is a very good sign. That's why I am covering this IPO as well, because this is a main board IPO which came after a very long time. Otherwise, there were only SME IPOs with a cap of 1.5 lakh rupees of investments. Now, talking about the IPO, the Uday Shiv Kumar IPO, the objective is they want to increase the funding to expand their working capital or requirements for the company and the general corporate purpose, which is basically fine. But the best part, what I see as a positive point as an investor of this company, is that the company is bringing the fresh issue of roughly 66 crore rupees. Okay, so इस IPO का जो size होने वाला है वो 66 crore है and all of it is going to be fresh issue. No company, no shareholders, nothing. They are not selling their stake in this particular company. They are going to bring a complete fresh issue, which is a very positive sign, as you can see it here. Okay, the price band for the IPO is of rupees 33 to 35, and I must tell you, if you are someone who is interested in applying in this IPO, please always keep tick on the cutoff price or the upper band price of the IPO. इससे क्या होता है, आपके IPO के मिलने के chances बढ़ जाते हैं. The opening date of the IPO was 20th March. एक दिन complete हो चुका है. I am recording this video on 21st March and the closing of the IPO is going to be on 23rd March. आपके पास अभी 2 पूरे दिन हैं जिसमें आप इस IPO में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं and the basis of allotment will be done on 28th March and similarly आपके पास अगर ये allot होता है उदय शिव कुमार का IPO तो आपके क्रेडिट डीमैट में हो जाएंगे शेयर्स on 31st March. Further, we will see that for one lot of application for retail investors, you need to have roughly 14,980 rupees. अगर आप इस IPO में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं तो आपके अकाउंट में मिनिमम 15,000 रुपये होने चाहिए, तभी आप इस IPO के लिए अप्लाई कर पाएंगे. The P value of this particular company is 9.67, which is very good in comparison to its peers. And I believe that this company has the potential to give good returns in coming future as well. Now, talking about the cons and the financials of this particular company, we saw that the company has done exceptionally well in terms of generating revenues in last 25 years. But as things stands, the company was not able to generate good amount of profit in 2021. Basically there was a decline, but in 2022 they recovered, which is again a good sign. They don't have a much of I must say that they don't have a much of loan or total borrowing in them. You can see that there is a slight dip in the profit after tax and then it went up to 12 crore again. The net worth of the company is growing, which is again a very positive sign, and the total borrowing, they have been somewhat maintaining it equal to 30 to 40 crore rupees. Right, the total assets has been increasing for the company, which is again a positive sign, and you will see that the company was able to decrease, or there was a decrease in the revenue of 12% to 186 crore against the 211 crore in the previous financial year. So these are the concerns which raised due to the COVID and a lot of things going on. And there is a risk in this kind of business, is that it's a very competitive bidding process. When you are someone into infrastructure space, then you have to make a lot of bids and win bids of the projects. Then only you will be able to generate revenue in this particular space. Though the company is doing exceptionally well, as they hold roughly 40 projects in their hand, and they are working very well in the state of Karnataka. Now, the thing is, there is again a reduction in budgetary allocation to this infrastructure sector, and that is again one of the major risks when it comes down to the infrastructure companies. But if you believe in the growth of this particular company, then you should definitely think about investing in this particular company. The financials look decent to stable to me, and the price band at which this company is coming of 32 to 35 is again great, and the PE multiple against its competitors like GMR, Adani Enterprise, I find it very reasonable. So I believe that there are high chances that a lot of people will be, or a lot of big players will be interested in this particular company, and you can see a significant spike in the current grey market premium for the USK IPO. Now, the USK IPO current grey market price for today, as it stands, is of roughly 10 rupees, which is basically to list at 45 rupees, is 28.57% up from what it is going to be or where it is going to be list. Okay, तो आप इसे ऐसा समझिए, अगर आपको ये स्टॉक अलॉट होता है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ करंट ग्रे मार्केट प्रीमियम, तो आप 14 दिन में 30% रिटर्न कमा सकते हैं इस पर्टिकुलर IPO में अप्लाई करके. नाउ, इसका कंपनी में अप्लाई करना ये प्योरली आपका डिसीजन होगा, ठीक है. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू कि व्हाट ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटीज आई सी, एंड इफ यू आर आस्किंग फॉर माई परस्पेक्टिव, व्हाट आई हैव रिसर्च एंड what I have seen, I am going to apply for 1 to 2 lot in this particular company. I have a good risk appetite, so I can apply in this company. अगर आपको लगता है कि मार्केट के सेंटिमेंट्स अभी भी ख़राब है and you see that the company might not do well in future, then आप इस IPO को avoid भी कर सकते हैं. Looking at the day 1 of the Uday Shiv Kumar IPO, you will see that the QIBs have invested money. They have subscribed it fully in their lot. NIS 0.78, retail 0.48, and total 0.62 times it has been subscribed. I am shocked that when the QIBs or the big categories have been applying money in this particular company, why there has been a fear in retail category. I thought that this particular IPO would get subscribed on the day 1, but that didn't happen. That completely shows the sentiments in the retail category, the fear induced in the minds of retail category, and even in the past trends also the IPOs were not able to do well. And that's why I'm saying that it is completely up to you. If you want to take the risk, then definitely you can go ahead and apply in this particular IPO. You can do your own research. This is what I have seen, and this is what I have been doing and looking at this particular IPO. So I believe that this particular IPO can give a good returns of at least 20% on the listing day. So I am going to apply. I hope I was able to give you a good overview of this particular IPO, as well as tell you about what is the current state of the grey market premium. If you want to know more information on this particular IPO, what is going to happen in day 2 and day 3, I'll keep you posted on my channel. So that's why please make sure to do subscribe. Thank you.